In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear your YouTube search and watch history. And I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, and it's actually pretty easy to go ahead and do. Not only are we going over how you can do this on the mobile app, but we're also going to go over how you can do this on desktop. I'll walk you through both of those processes. But before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, on the mobile app, what you're going to want to do is actually tap on your profile icon to go to a page that looks something like this and actually click on the settings section up at the very top. Once you do get on your settings, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select manage all history. And from here, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. All you have to go ahead and do is find this little delete section right down here, select it, and you're going to have an option to delete of all time. Selected, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Just simply hit delete down at the bottom and it's going to clear all of your history here on YouTube. Now on desktop, it's a little bit different. Just go to youtube.com and from here go to your menu, history, and then go to manage all history. And from here, it's the exact same steps. Remove whatever items you'd like individually or just clear today, a specific range, or even all-time history like I just did. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.